How to say in Philippine beautiful?
Beautiful? Dako kag bulog.
Bulog is beautiful?
Yeah, the beautiful is buna-buna. When you say,
Buna-buna.
you're so beautiful, baho kag buna-buna.
Bahuk ka buna-buna.
You're
Bunne,
so...
tanya bunne ka? Bunne, you know bunne?
Bune, the same, the parente of bune is buna-buna. If you're buna-buna ha
bune.
bune,
Bunne, yanre ro bunne, yanre.
bune, oh.
Bunne. Bunne.
Bune-bune, the relatives of buna-buna, maybe.
Oh,
How old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
Wow, very buna-buna, very young.
How about you?
I am already 32.
Oh, 32. You
Yeah, I sometimes.
Oh.
Bunal. Do you bunal?
No, don't. So I call you Bahal.
Yeah, you can call me Bahal,
Bahal.
or you can call me Bahal or Habal.
Habal G.
Habal is-
In Indonesia, we say like hello my friend, you say like Bahal G andalangku.
Bahal in Indonesia.
Like my friend Bahal is mean Bahal G andalangku.
Bahal Ji Andelangku.
Yeah.
In the Philippines, like hello my friend, you said Bahal. You said Bahal takbaliku.
Bahal tak boleh balik.
Bahal takbaliku.
Bahal tak balik otak.
Tak bali.
Bahal tak balik otak.
Takbaliku.
Oh.
Upahi ko.
Bahal tak balik otak.
Bahal upahi ko.
Bahal upahiku. Oh, bahal pahi.